Here we come to the north elevator at the Manuel Pacheco Integrated Learning Center at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Hotchkiss hydraulic elevator installed in 2002. This is the machine room right here, and I believe it's here. Let's get our cab view. Very nice. GL interlock. We can't hold this thing open too long because this has a nudge buzzer. It's very loud. Let's listen to the motor. Here we are on 2. No classic leveling, unfortunately. Let's ring the bell. One chime for down. GL interlock. This thing is going to nudge. Let's get our cab view here. Very nice cab. This is elevator number 2. EPCO SurvivorPlus phantom resistant fixtures. ADA compliant front built to the car station. This has the very loud nudge buzzer. I mean, it's loud, so I'm not going to hold it open. You can see up the shaft a little bit, but I'm going to let this thing close up. Door closed when you push the button. We'll watch the numbers this time. Give an annoying fan, but you can hear the motor a little bit. This elevator, I think, originally was air conditioned, but it's long stopped working. It's very hot in this elevator. It's very nice. They're a little like the EPCO fixtures. Anyways, here it goes. That's it.